Morning guys, in front of me is Honor 400 Smart 4G, and let me show you how to do the fingerprint. So first of all, let's enroll the settings. Then find and select security and privacy, scroll down and pick device unlock right here. Now select Biometrics and select Fingerprint ID. At first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint, so let's set PIN code, re-enter it just to confirm, and now it's time to set your fingerprint. Just mark that you wish to use it for unlocking and mark add. As you can see, the fingerprint sensor is located here on your power button, so just slide on the sensor left, right, up, down till your fingerprint is fully added. The sensor is pretty good on this device, so it will be done, as you can see, super quickly. Tap on OK, then it is already set, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.